Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the launcher version and device model so you apply the right fix. This prevents mismatched files. Once done, back up your launcher settings and export the home layout because restores save time if changes fail. Next, close background apps and enable developer logs so you can watch errors live. This helps you pinpoint where left or right launcher panels fail. Now that those prerequisites are ready, proceed to adjust configuration files and permissions. You'll now edit the launcher configuration to correct left and right panel indices. Change values carefully and document each edit so you can revert if needed. Make sure to set or re-grant permissions like storage, overlay, and accessibility, because missing rights often block panel draws. After each change, clear the launcher cache and restart the app so the new settings load cleanly. This forces the UI to rebuild and reveals whether the index adjustments fix the swap or blank panels. You finish by verifying gestures and swipe actions on both left and right sides to ensure behavior matches intent. Test multiple pages and widgets so edge cases show up. If visuals or functions regress, restore your backup and compare the changed config lines to isolate the culprit. Make sure to inspect developer logs for precise error messages. One key troubleshooting tip is to look for an index out of range entry, which usually indicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.